Hey guys, today I will show you how to import a MetaMask wallet into Phantom Wallet so you can manage everything in one place. So first, what you need to do is open your Phantom Wallet. You'll notice an option that says import your MetaMask accounts to manage everything in one wallet. Go ahead and tap on that. This will bring up a screen asking for your secret recovery phrase. Here, you'll need to enter the 12 or 24 word recovery phrase you originally used when setting up your MetaMask wallet. I'll enter mine here, but remember, never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Keep it written down on paper and stored safely in multiple secure locations because it's the only way to recover your wallet. After typing in the recovery phrase, click Import Wallet. Phantom will search for any active accounts and show you the results. Once it's done, click Continue and you'll get a confirmation that your wallet has been imported successfully. Tap Get Started and now you'll see your MetaMask assets appear directly inside Phantom. For example, any Ethereum you had in MetaMask will also show up in Phantom. This way, you can use Phantom as a multi-chain wallet supporting Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, Polygon, and more. If you don't see the import banner at first, you can also add your MetaMask manually. Just click on the plus icon, choose Add Connect, then select Import Secret Recovery Phrase. From there, follow the same process by entering your MetaMask phrase and importing your wallet. That's all it takes to consolidate your wallets into Phantom. Thanks for watching.